Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gargi. Today we'll be doing a very different video, yet a basic one. इस वीडियो में आपको बताने वाली हूँ कि हम बेसिक आईलाइनर्स कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे, जिसमें हम 4 आईलाइनर्स ड्रॉ करना सीखेंगे. One is of a very thin liner, second one is of a bold, third one is a small wing and fourth one is a regular wing, जो कि थोड़ा सा extended होता है from the outside. We'll be doing 3 videos, or you can say 3 series of this video. One is of this basic eyeliner, second one is of the advanced one, third one is of the graphic liners, जिसमें हम बहुत सुंदर से eyeliners draw करना सीखेंगे. And if you wanna know how to do those 4 types of liners जो कि हम इस वीडियो में देखने वाले हैं, please watch till the end. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and let's go. Stay tuned for my next 2 videos. Let's start the video. I'll be using this Maybelline's Colossal Eyeliner. It's a jet black eyeliner having a very thin tip. Let me show you. It don't have that much thin eyeliner tip जिससे कि आप एक graphic eyeliner draw कर पाएँ. But yes, you can use it for the basic eyeliners if you want to do. But yes, market do have more eyeliners जिनकी tips बहुत पतली है. And for the graphic eyeliners, I'll be using those eyeliners. I'll be doing the non-winged eyeliners, means the thin one and the bold one on the right eyes, and the winged one, small wing, and the regular wing on the left eyes. First, we'll do the thinnest liner on the right eyes. Continuing the second eyeliner, which is the bold eyeliner without the wing on this right eye. Now the third eyeliner is the small wing eyeliner, which we are going to do on our left eye. Moving on to the fourth liner, which is the extended version of the small wing liner.